First of all, total demand is given by the function p of x is 100 minus x by 100. X of 40.